Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to figure out what I want. I wish I knew, I'd tell you right away, but I've been trying to figure it out my whole life. What do I want? I don't know. Sometimes I think I know what I want, and then I spend a whole lot of time and energy and coins attaining the thing, and once I have it, I realize it's not really what I wanted anyway. Isn't that what life is when you really think about it? A series of attempts to find meaning in the constant suffering and trials that make up our short time on this big blue marble? Isn't life just a terrible exercise in trying to figure out what you want, trying to get what you want, and then realizing that you don't want it after all? That's how it is for me. That's how it's been for as long as I can remember. I can't tell you how many things I've wanted, things that I thought would make me happy, only to feel just as empty or sometimes even more so once I had achieved whatever goal, purchased whatever thing, visited whatever place. Maybe real satisfaction only comes when you don't want anything. Maybe what I want is nothing at all. But how do I do that? I've already had things. I've already experienced so much. I can't get rid of everything. I can't shed my burdens. I must carry them with me until the day I die. I guess there's no way out. There's no way to succeed. The only way to be happy is to want nothing, and it's impossible to want nothing. I don't know what to do. Wait, what am I talking about? Everything I just said is stupid and dumb. I know what I want. Hamburgers. I want 100 hamburgers. I did it. I figured out what I want. And baby, it's time to eat. Fire up the grill, slaughter 10 cows, harvest some wheat to make my burger buns, slaughter another 10 cows to make cheese out of. I'm gonna have myself a little feast.